Welcome back to Bike Review Hub. Today, we're checking out the 2025 Kawasaki Vulcan S, a cruiser designed for riders who want style, comfort, and approachable power all wrapped into one sleek package. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned rider looking for a nimble cruiser, the Vulcan S has something special to offer. Let's dive in. Design and styling: classic cruiser meets modern lines. The 2025 Vulcan S keeps its iconic cruiser silhouette with a long, low stance, but Kawasaki has added fresh touches to keep it current. The bike features aggressive LED headlights, a sculpted fuel tank, and muscular bodywork with matte and metallic paint options for 2025. Its minimalist design, combined with clean lines and blacked-out components, gives it a modern yet timeless cruiser look that stands out on the road. Engine and performance: smooth and manageable. Powering the Vulcan S is a 649 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine, producing around 61 horsepower and 64 Nm of torque. It's tuned to deliver a smooth and responsive throttle, making it very beginner-friendly yet plenty capable for highway cruising. Paired with a 6-speed transmission and slipper clutch, the bike offers confidence and control, whether you're commuting or hitting weekend rides. Comfort and ergonomics: personalized for every rider. One of the Vulcan S's standout features is Kawasaki's ErgoFit system, which allows you to adjust the seat, handlebars, and foot pegs to perfectly fit your riding style and body type. The upright riding position, wide seat, and relaxed foot controls make it comfortable for long rides, while the adjustable parts mean it can suit a wide range of rider heights and preferences. Handling and suspension: balanced and agile. The Vulcan S surprises with its nimble handling, thanks to a lightweight chassis and well-tuned suspension, telescopic forks at the front and a single shock at the rear. It's easy to maneuver in city traffic but stable enough for open road cruising, giving riders a confident and enjoyable ride experience. Technology and features: simple yet effective. For 2025, the Vulcan S keeps things straightforward with a clear analog and digital combo instrument cluster displaying speed, fuel level, and gear position. ABS comes standard for safety, and the bike has modern fuel injection for efficient throttle response. While it's not overloaded with tech, it delivers the essentials well. Braking and safety: reliable stopping power. Front and rear disc brakes paired with ABS provide solid braking performance and confidence in varied road conditions, ensuring you stay safe and in control. Who should buy the 2025 Vulcan S? This bike is perfect for new riders seeking an easy-to-handle cruiser that doesn't compromise on style or comfort. Experienced riders looking for a lightweight, customizable cruiser for daily rides or weekend escapes will also appreciate what the Vulcan S offers. Price and final verdict: the 2025 Kawasaki Vulcan S is priced competitively around $7,500, offering great value in the mid-size cruiser segment. Final verdict: the Vulcan S is a well-rounded cruiser blending modern comfort, approachable power, and style, making it a fantastic choice for a wide range of riders. Outro. Thanks for watching this review of the 2025 Kawasaki Vulcan S on Bike Review Hub. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more bike reviews and updates. Ride safe, and see you in the next video.